our new washing dry and dryer machine.
Hello.
Hello.
What you doing?
My husband installed it by himself. He is Superman. He is my Superman. He do everything by himself. And no helper. And I am away on his way.
At least she tells the truth.
Hello. But it's okay. Honey, you don't laugh. No, but where's Dolly?
Get some more of those wedges. Those wedges. What are you filming me again?
Yeah.
Hello.
You. And then I will tell the world how you are awesome at.
I gotta take the feet off it in order for it to fit under the counter, but now it's gonna wobble a little bit, so now I'm trying to wedge it. So it's gonna wobble. There's rubber in there. It's not really tricky to get this in there. Nowhere now. There's rubber up underneath there and I wedged it in. Look, nowhere. Best husband in the world. Fixes everything.
Yes.
Goodbye. Delay dry, damp, small load. Let's just do small load. Dry. Gotta take this stuff over here.
No shaking.
This is our Wi-Fi. Unbelievable.
You don't need to use Wi-Fi.
Take care, more time, less time. 30 minutes going. This is more dry. Damp.
Okay. This is my superhero.
Wrinkle, max load.
He installed the washing machine and dryer machine by himself. No helper.
Hello.
Yeah.
We're gonna put that filler piece in.
Thank you, husband.